Track fans, buckle up, because what you are about to witness is pure sprinting dominance, and not. We are here to witness all the good moments Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce left before she retired. Moments that will be forever remembered. Jamaica's Golden Queens, led by the legendary Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, just delivered a 4x100 meters masterclass that's rewriting history books. From the fast baton exchange to the explosive finish, this race had the world holding its breath. Let's dive into the fastest 4x100 meter relay in history, where Shelly-Ann and her teammates absolutely destroyed the field.
Something, well, inside 43 seconds would be good. So the Jamaican select team on paper looks good. The All-Stars team, Ophelia's leading them off, but I think lanes 4, 5 and 6 here with China, Great Britain and the Jamaican team. Decent start for Ashley Nelson. Don't forget Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce on the last leg. It's pretty even, you've got to say. Brazil and Australia started quickly. Let's look for the first handover. All pretty good, looks safe. A very good handover for Great Britain moving past Jamaica. So now we got Bianca Williams taking over from Nancy Cohn. Bianca Williams has got the baton and China giving chase here, but it's Great Britain performing superbly well. Jamaica trying to come back into it. Daryl Nita's going to have Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce chasing her. China not too far away. But can Britain hold on? Look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce like a steam train, express train, gets it on the line. 42.29. Well, the time will be irrelevant for the Jamaican select. She looks as though she's just been for a stroll in the park. But, my goodness me, that was incredible from Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. A good performance from Great Britain, to be fair, 42.30. Colin, I mean, we've seen things in the relays, you know, Bolt and all the rest of it, but what a final leg that was there. A bit of a smile from her, because sprinters like her don't, you know, chasing down like that isn't, you know, you don't get a chance to do that too often, do you?
No, you know, she would have loved the fact that she actually did enough to nip it, but I think she'd be a little bit furious with her other teammates, really, because their changes were disastrous down there, and that's what put her in that position where she ended up having to chase the performance. Watch this one there, then right in the middle, look at that to Elaine Thompson, all over the place. And Elaine gets to the baton, gets herself very stable then, and starts then to charge down Ermani. Again, look how messy this change ends up being. Hands are over place, they just get the baton in the hand, and of course they put themselves under a lot of pressure. But here I was watching this changeover very carefully with the British quartet there, because that was right on the edge. And so edge is good enough. She gets the baton, of course, and waiting for Shelly-Ann to come steaming down, because you know what her capabilities are. And Nita would be hopefully glancing at the screen and thinking, no, I'm going to hang on. But look, Shelly-Ann just outlined a brilliant performance. Excited for the crowd, Steve.
I think technically it's impossible to have, to have one athlete on a certain level of slow motion and another one on another, because it doesn't look like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce that it's going at the same speed, just eating up the ground. Great race, very well done by the British quartet. Good time, they needed that. The under-20
squad running in that preferred lane 6. Yep, she calls herself the Jersey girl. Right here in high school. And so from the inside, it's Jamaica, the USA, the British Virgin Islands, and the second USA squad out in lane 8. Fairly even through the first exchange, and let's see how the exchanges go. Good ones for the USA out in 8 and in 6. And the Jamaicans trying to get back into it. Now Gardner on that third leg. She's trying to work on her speed as a potential 200-meter double. If she can make the U.S. team, does very well now. The handoff to Akinnison. And here comes the final leg. Akinnison and Elaine Thompson. And the Olympic champion finds a gear, Jamaica.
And here we go. The stadium is electric. Team Jamaica is lined up in their iconic yellow and green ready to unleash fire on the track. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the veteran, the legend, the queen of sprinting, anchoring this all-star lineup. You can feel the confidence, you can feel the power. The gun goes off and Jamaica explodes out of the blocks. The start is absolutely perfect, crisp, clean and lightning fast. The first exchange smooth. Jamaica maintaining a razor-thin lead. But that's all it takes for champions to take control. You can see the precision, every exchange timed to perfection. The chemistry of this team is unreal. The baton passes are so sharp. It's like they have rehearsed this in their sleep. And now, it's time for the final leg. The crowd roars as the baton heads to the anchor. And who else but Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce? The pocket rocket grabs it with authority. And boom, she is gone like a bullet out of the barrel. Shelly-Ann opens up the stride, powering down the stretch. The field is chasing, but there is no catching her. Every step, every drive, every arm pump screams legacy. She is pulling away meter by meter, destroying the field by fractions of a second that feel like miles. This is not just a race. This is history in motion. Jamaica crosses the line, record time. The stadium erupts. Teammates storm the track in celebration. Smiles, flag, pure joy. They have done it again. The queens of sprinting reign supreme. Take another look at the anchor leg. Watch Shelly-Ann look at the drive race. The relaxation. The perfect mechanics. That's not just speed. That's decades of experience and unshakable determination. From Beijing 2008 to today, Shelly-Ann continues to redefine what greatness looks like. And let's give credit to the entire Jamaican squad. Each runner played their part. The chemistry, the trust, the precision. That's what makes this team unstoppable. This isn't just about individual brilliance. It's teamwork at its finest. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is more than just an athlete. She is a symbol of perseverance, of consistency, of heart. At 30 plus, still delivering world-class performance, still leading Jamaica to gold. That's greatness personified. This race will go down in history as one of the cleanest, fastest and most dominant 4x100 relays ever run. And it wasn't even close. When Shelly-Ann anchored the race was over before it ended. Every relay has stars, but Jamaica has legends. Fraser-Pryce, the face of sprinting excellence. And today, she didn't just run. She reminded the world that Jamaica's sprint queens still wear the crown. What a performance! Jamaican's golden queen proving once again why they are unmatched in the world of sprinting. If this doesn't give you goosebumps, check your pulse, because that was lightning in human form. Drop your thoughts below. Was this the greatest women's relay of all time? And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic track content, and ring that bell so you never miss when the Queens of Speed return back.